Hey guys, and welcome back to AFI DIYs. I'm Maddie, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a bug and tar remover for your vehicle's exterior. This product will help to easily remove dead bugs and other gunk from your car's grille, hood, and windshield. It's a great addition to vehicle care or a car cleaning product line. This bug and tar remover only requires a few ingredients and steps. It's super easy. So let's take a look at what we'll be using. For supplies, you will need rubber gloves and protective goggles, a large glass beaker, a glass stirring rod, a spray bottle for packaging. To make about 16 ounces of product, you will need 83% or 13.28 ounces of deionized water, 10% or 1.6 ounces of tetrasodium EDTA, 1% or 0.16 ounces of sodium citrate, 6% or 0.96 ounces of stepazole DG, 1 ounce of fragrance, 1 teaspoon of preservative. Here at AFI, your success is our success, and we aim to provide the best experience. With that being said, we look forward to serving you by helping you find quality fragrances at competitive prices. Just head on over to our web store to find exactly what you need. We have thousands of fragrances to choose from, and I'm sure there's one just for you. For this product, I decided to go with one of my personal favorites, Super Cherry. It smells super fruity and super vibrant, and it's perfect for any cleaning product. Alright, we're almost ready to start, but first we need to put on our gloves and our goggles. Great, now we're ready to begin. Simply combine deionized water, EDTA, sodium citrate, and stepazole DG in the glass beaker, respectively. Make sure to mix thoroughly between each addition. Finish off by adding your fragrance and preservative, stirring until homogeneous. All that's left is to transfer into a spray bottle for optimal product application. Now your bug and tar remover is complete. This DIY cost us about $2 to make, and it can be sold wholesale for $3 to $4 and retail for $6 to $8. Looking for more car cleaning products to add to your line? Well, check out our car interior cleaner as well as all the other helpful videos we have on our DIY playlist. Well, that's all I have for you guys today, but before you go, be sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Hit that bell icon to become a member of our notification squad and be in the know every time we post a new video. With that, thanks so much for watching AFI DIYs, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!